I'm Scott Drysdale, a technical specialist here at TÜV SÜD Ottawa. TÜV SÜD Ottawa is one of 3 locations in Canada, and TÜV SÜD Ottawa is one of over a dozen TÜV SÜD locations here in North America. Our Ottawa facility covers more than 30,000 square feet and provides services to the manufacturing, telecommunication, medical, health, defense, and automotive industries, amongst many more. Many of our engineers here have over 20 years of experience. Our specialty areas of excellence include EMC, wireless, NEBS, and environmental testing. In Ottawa, we have a state-of-the-art 10-meter ambient-free semi-anechoic chamber. The semi-anechoic is for RF reflections, that it minimizes the bounce of the RF from the equipment under test such that you can take an accurate measurement. It also keeps ambient signals being broadcast signals outside the chamber, from coming inside, so they don't interfere with your measurement. The chamber has 2 movable turntables in separate shielded rooms, so that system setup, teardown, and reconfiguration can be performed offline while the chamber is being used to set up another product. This allows us to offer our customers faster setup and smoother transitions between projects. We also have a smaller chamber dedicated for radiated susceptibility testing that meets the requirements for doing that testing. It can also be used for wireless and engineering testing. We're currently working on expanding to include a 3-meter semi-anechoic chamber. We provide electrical safety certification to NRTL mark and to the low voltage directive, power testing, RF testing for FCC and ISED certifications, and also to the radio equipment directive, and various environmental testing services.